Looking for the best dash cam to protect yourself on the road in 2026? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. From crystal clear video quality to smart features like night vision, GPS tracking, and 24/7 parking surveillance. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just want extra peace of mind while driving, we've got the perfect options for every budget and need. Make sure to stick around till the end to find out which dash cam takes the #1 spot. And if you want to grab any of the products mentioned, all the links are in the description below. Let's get started. A5 N5 upgrade your driving safety with the IOI N5 4-channel dash cam, a powerful all-in-one recording solution designed for complete 360 degrees coverage. Featuring a crisp 3-inch IPS screen and stunning FHD 1080p plus 1080p PlayDP plus 1080p recording with an optional 2.5K mode. It captures every angle, front, rear, sides, and interior, with ultra-wide 170 degrees and 150 degrees lenses for maximum visibility. Built for reliability, it runs exclusively on the original cigarette lighter charger, not USB or Type-C, and uses a durable supercapacitor instead of a battery, ensuring stable performance even in extreme temperatures. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect to your smartphone via the iWay or ViJur app to preview, download, and share footage at lightning speed. The included 128GB SD card and seamless loop recording guarantee you never miss a moment, while advanced features like G-Sensor emergency lock and 24-hour parking monitoring, hardwire kit required, provide peace of mind around the clock. Easy to install and designed for every driver, the IOI N5 is your dependable co-pilot on every journey. Vantrue N4S upgrade your driving safety with the Vantrue N4S 3-channel dash cam, the 2026 breakthrough in full coverage vehicle security. Powered by advanced StarVis 2 sensors, this triple-channel dash cam captures stunning clarity in 2.7K front, 1440p interior, and 1440p rear recording, delivering true 360-degree protection with ultra-wide viewing angles that eliminate blind spots. Whether you're a rideshare driver or a daily commuter, its HDR and PlatePix technology ensure crystal-clear footage, even in low light, so every detail, including license plates, is captured day or night. Built to perform in extreme conditions, the N4S features enhanced Night Vision 4.0 and a durable supercapacitor design that withstands harsh temperatures, ensuring reliable operation wherever the road takes you. Installation is quick and hassle-free with a magnetic GPS mount and tool-free setup, while the 360-degree adjustable rear camera offers flexible monitoring for traffic, cargo, or passengers. Stay protected around the clock with intelligent 24/7 parking modes, including motion detection and collision-triggered recording. With ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly access and share footage, and support for up to 1 TB micro SD storage means you'll never run out of space. Plus, quad GPS tracking ensures precise route logging for added peace of mind. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, the Vantrue N4S is more than a dash cam. It's your reliable co-driver on every journey. 3. 70mi A810S RC24 128GB. Upgrade your driving experience with this powerful dual dash cam, engineered for total clarity, safety, and peace of mind. Capture every moment in stunning true 4K UHD on the front camera and crisp 1080p on the rear. Powered by advanced Sony StarVis 2 sensors that bring out vivid colors and sharp details, even in low-light conditions. With wide-angle coverage, intelligent AI motion detection, and 24/7 parking surveillance, your vehicle stays protected whether you're on the road or away. Stay connected through optional 4G remote access for real-time monitoring and instant alerts, while built-in GPS and Wi-Fi 6 ensure seamless tracking and fast video transfers. Designed for convenience, this dashcam also features voice control, ADAS safety alerts, and effortless installation, making it the perfect companion for daily drives, long road trips, and complete vehicle security. Rove R2 4K dual upgrade your driving experience with the powerful Rove R2 4K dual dash cam, engineered to deliver unmatched clarity and security on every journey. Featuring true 4K front recording and 1080p rear capture, this advanced dual dash cam ensures you never miss a detail, whether it's the road ahead or behind. Powered by the cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional night vision with brighter, sharper footage even in low-light conditions. With ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, you can instantly download, view, and share your recordings directly to your smartphone using the intuitive Rove app. Built-in GPS tracks your speed, location, and route in real time, providing reliable evidence whenever needed. Packed with premium features like motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, and a 24/7 custom parking mode, this dashcam offers complete peace of mind. Watch the product in action on YouTube and see why the Rove R2 4K Dual is the ultimate choice for modern drivers seeking performance, safety, and convenience in one sleek device. One Red Tiger F7NP. Upgrade your driving safety and capture every moment on the road with the Red Tiger F7NP 4K Dual Dashcam. Designed for crystal clear performance in any condition. Featuring stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording powered by the advanced Starvis 2 sensor and wide-angle lenses, this dashcam delivers sharp, balanced footage day or night. Whether you're commuting, on a road trip, or driving for rideshare, you'll have reliable evidence at your fingertips. With WDR HDR night vision, a large f1.5 aperture, and a 6-layer optical lens, even low-light scenes are captured with exceptional clarity. Stay connected through built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the intuitive Red Tiger app, allowing real-time preview, fast downloads, and easy sharing of your footage. Enjoy hassle-free loop recording with a free memory card included, plus 24/7 parking protection supported by a G-sensor that locks critical clips. Built with a durable supercapacitor for enhanced heat resistance and backed by an 18-month warranty, the F7NP is a smart, reliable companion for every journey. For setup and real-world performance, watch the full review and installation guide on YouTube to get the most out of your dashcam. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcams for 2026. Whether you're looking for crystal clear video quality, advanced safety features, or the best value for your money, there's a perfect option here for you. Investing in a good dashcam isn't just about recording your drive. It's about peace of mind every time you hit the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. It really helps the channel grow. All the product links are in the description below, so you can easily check prices and pick the one that suits you best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.